Binance's TradFi perp volume has reached $60 billion in a single week, representing 10.3% of the exchange's total perpetual futures market. This marks a significant shift in how traders are accessing traditional finance assets through crypto infrastructure. Just 6 months ago, Binance's TradFi perp volume was effectively zero. Now, the exchange is gaining measurable share across the world's most liquid markets. The growth is not limited to one asset class. The composition of TradFi perps has evolved from a metals-dominated market to a more diversified mix of energy, equities, and metals. In February, metals made up 96% of the TradFi perp volume. By May, that share had dropped to 50%, with energy contracts accounting for 30% and equities at 21%. This shift came as Binance expanded its product lineup across asset classes. Energy leads in penetration, with Brent crude alone reaching 10.4% of equivalent global spot and futures volume in May. Silver. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Peaked at 11.5% of global volume during the same period. Equity perps are also showing rapid adoption. CBRS, a Nasdaq-listed company and a competitor to NVIDIA, launched on Binance's TradFi perp platform on May 18 and quickly entered the mix. Within 4 days, it had reached 1.7% market share. This rapid adoption signals that institutional and retail traders alike are increasingly using crypto infrastructure to access traditional assets. The broader implication is that crypto exchanges like Binance are becoming gateways to global financial markets, not just for digital assets, but for traditional ones as well. This trend could blur the lines between crypto and traditional finance, as traders seek more seamless access to both worlds. The next signal to watch is whether this diversification continues and if new asset classes will be added to the TradFi perp offering. The adoption of CBRS in just 4 days shows that traders are ready to embrace new opportunities as soon as they become available. As Binance continues to expand its TradFi perp product lineup, the question is whether this momentum will continue or if the market will stabilize at a certain level of adoption. The 10.3% market share is a strong indicator that the shift is real and growing, but it also leaves room for further growth. The broader market is watching to see if other exchanges will follow Binance's lead in expanding TradFi. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Perp offerings. This could lead to increased competition and innovation in the space. The stakes are high, as this trend could redefine how traditional assets are traded and accessed. If crypto infrastructure continues to gain traction in this space, it could lead to a new era of financial market integration. The next signal to watch is whether Binance will maintain or expand its lead in TradFi perp volume, and if other exchanges will respond with similar offerings.